Yeah, I would pull the final look. I emailed you guys out like the assets.
Zamazada?
Now when the income's coming up on the 14th.
Hello?
Yes.
Okay. Did you, let me just help you understand something. Are you there?
Okay. When we went over, we sat down, went over.
Hello?
Yes.
Okay, can you hear me okay, sir?
Yes, I hear.
All right, okay, I just want to make it clear that you said to me you're not there, and you're not there because you don't have a car. Okay, now what you need to do is you need to walk a couple cubicles down and tap Brian Muscanel on the shoulder and say to him, "You got me, Brian. You got me."
Who is this, sir? Who is this? Who is
Your Honest, this is Brian's friend, Mel Finster, a.k.a. Mel Finster. I hope you get your car, brother, and tell those assholes to stop handing you $2,400 bills. That is unbelievable.
Brian Muscanelli?
We got you good, bro. Have a good day.